Multi-use alarm clock white noise machine. This projection clock has many different functions. Use it as a digital FM radio, sleep sound machine, alarm, projection clock, thermometer, and a smartphone holder. Save money by purchasing this one device instead of 6 different devices. Sleep timer alarm options. Homedics Clock Radio offers 5 different sleep cycle modes. Fall asleep to your favored radio station or soothing sleep sound and save energy by using the auto-off function. Choose to have your sound machine turn off after 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. Ready to wake up. Set your morning alarm to wake you up with some of your favorite radio station music, nature sounds, or a beeping noise. 8 peaceful nature sounds. Get a full night of restful sleep with the Recharge Sound Machine. Select from 8 digitally recorded relaxing sounds: fan, campfire, rainforest, ocean, gentle rain, white noise, thunderstorm, and brook. The Soundspa's sounds are designed to mimic the natural environment to provide the most relaxing sleep experience possible. Top reviews from the United States. Finally found my perfect alarm clock. I've been hunting around for a while to find an alarm clock that had gentle nature sounds. It's actually harder than I thought. I bought another popular product that has a sunlight feature to wake up to with natural sounds, but you can't turn off the light up feature. It activates 30 minutes before I am supposed to wake up. No thanks. I will wake up at the time I set. Anyways. This clock has nice sounds. You can select from several of them, set the volume level, set 2 different alarm times. It's great. The time projection is so-so. I felt it was a bit too bright, and you can't change the orientation much. For me, where I put my alarm clock, it projected the time upside down. This alarm clock has a nice feel to it, like it is better quality. Overall, the perfect alarm clock for me.